Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, DHCP is not enabled for Ethernet in Windows 11, 10 fix. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check Obtain an IP address automatically, check Obtain DNS server address automatically. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.